Let's begin with the question of cigarette tax incidence. The treatment is a cost change, namely a tax increase. The outcomes are retail prices, inclusive of the tax. We ignore the market frictions for a moment, because ultimately they are not so important for understanding pass-through. We will bring in frictions on the next slide, primarily to illustrate possible relationships between treatment effects and scale effects. Think of the retail price in a state as the sum of a national wholesale price and a state-specific excise tax. In fact, for many years, even the largest cigarette manufacturers had only one wholesale price for the entire nation, despite vast differences in taxes and other market conditions across states. Why wouldn't these manufacturers' wholesale price discriminate across states? You might want to pause the video to think about answers to the puzzle. Cigarettes carry a lot of value per pound. It would be profitable for a wholesaler to get a truck, driver, and fuel in order to make his purchase through another state's wholesaler who gets the lower price. So the manufacturer might as well offer all wholesalers the same price, rather than make them go through the transshipping hassle. It's a different story for consumers, each of which deals in far smaller quantities. The difference in differences takes out any wholesale price effect. In the real world, national excise taxes increase retail prices 40% more than the DID suggests because the wholesale price goes up too. This is an equilibrium spillover.